Hello everybody. It's been a while. I'm just gonna make sure my stream's up. And then grab the link and make an announcement. As per usual. Oh yeah, it's on videos, that's why. There we go. I like this. And we're gonna pop it here. Make a stream ping. Okay. I think we're good. It's been a while since the last stream. Gonna make sure just everything's okay. There we go. I like this. Yeah. Last stream. Okay. Sure audio seems good. So, hello guys. Nice. So yeah, it's been a while since the last stream. I think the last one was in February. But I'm back, and this time we're actually doing a tech tree, and if you've seen some of the sneak peeks, it is actually almost finished. So I can show you what I have currently so far. I think it's pretty good. I need to change some stuff in it, but overall, I think I need to fix that loading stuff. But overall, I think it looks pretty good. So how I have it is in here. There is the tech tree. So you can zoom out on it. Oh, what's with the aspect ratio? Oh, that's weird. Okay. I'm gonna have to fix that. Aspect ratio is a bit weird, but it's always annoying. So we have this. Oops. So basically, you start with this, then oh, I removed the thing. There should be a thing in the corner that tells you more info about it. I mean, it's kind of small. I still haven't done the tourism section, and there's still some work in progress here and over here, but that is what we are going to be finishing today. Just want to make sure all my stuff is okay. Oh yeah, I can still hear it. Okay, we're good. It's been a little bit. Hello, welcome to the live stream. Okay, so to start off, we need to open up the tech tree GUI. Okay, so I need, what do I need to do? Also, if you guys have any ideas for the tech tree, I'm also not entirely certain on how you'll get research points, which is what you use to unlock the modules, but yeah. Okay, here, I'll make the info thing visible. It's really not great. But here, I can show, not text box. It's slow, it's the morning. Wow, what's so impressive? Here, I'll make a scrolling frame so that I need to make the thing. Can't talk today. It'll show you which modules each research unlocks. So like, for example, the basic solar, I think that unlocks the solar module and the solar cap module. So this will be a list that will show all the modules that it unlocks. Bro, what the heck? Why can't I zoom it? Nan? I have never seen it turn to Nan. What? Like, you see that? The position is going to Nan. What? That's like nothing by putting zeros. What? This is the first time I've seen a scrolling frame do this. Why is it going to Nan? Is that a bug? Weird. Guess I'll give it its own position then. Just do like 0.1, 0.1, and then its position can be 0. But that's weird. Got 11. So So it's on top, and then position should be 0, size should be 1 on the X, and then we can go like that. Is there no padding on this end? There's padding all over. Size is 1, so why is it? You see that, guys? It's like that. But I have padded what? I'll make a square. There we go. Fix the position there. Okay, so now we gotta update the scrolling frame with mods. Also gonna make this look a bit better. I'll just change it to white-ish. Some wrote there. Label. We can make that invisible. Make the text white. Or maybe even like text stroke on it. Text stroke always looks nice. There we go. And then we can and then for the research points, we'll make it I don't want to do this. It's been a while since I've developed. Okay, I'll make it invisible. I'll make it bold, scaled, and above like a blue color. How does that look? Hello, welcome. That looks really bad. Okay, what if we do like a light blue? I don't know if I'm a fan of that. Maybe even lighter? Your Minecraft server is being weird. Sometimes it works and sometimes it just goes down for like forever. Yeah, it's just when I restart my computer and something, it'll just go down. But it should be up right now. Okay, then for the research button, we will make this lighter, like that. And then we'll make the text white. And then border can be even lighter? No, I don't like that. Let's make this back darker a bit. And then we can make the button even darker. And then it should look really nice. It's not terrible. It'll do for now. Yeah, okay. And then we need to like list of unlocks, I guess. Okay, then in the script we can. One thing about games, I don't play it because I don't feel like it, and everything's overwhelming for new players. This is very overwhelming, and you might need to do something to fix that. That is actually what the tech tree is kind of for. It's to make a better line of progression so they don't get overwhelmed with all the features at once, but have to unlock each one, which then will make the learning curve less steep for the game. It's been a while since I've watched some of your streams. I know, I remember you from some of the older ones. But okay, update info box, this function. So this function will run whenever they click on any of them, and then we'll want to populate this. So populate the list. I'll just call that. So then we can we'll just make a variable local list of unlocks equals info. Just wait for child just to make sure it's loaded in. List of unlocks. Tech tree. I've wanted to add a tech tree for like since the very beginning of the game, and it's only took 3 years, 2 years. Is the game closed? No, it should be open. Should be able to play it. Better late than never, I guess. But now I have much more coding knowledge than I did before, so I can actually make the system decent and not like awful. So like I like how I have it set up. Each research is like this. So we have our prerequisites, the unlock cost, and the modules it unlocks. So then for some of them they can unlock multiple or have more than one prerequisite. So who's Gary at spawn in my Minecraft server? I have no clue. I haven't been on my server in like over a week. So I should probably go and check, see what's changed. But been focusing on a lot of stuff in real life. But now most of it is sorted out, so that's good. I can do more development. Okay, what am I doing? I'm trying to populate this. Okay, so we'll first off clear the children from it. But it's annoying because I can't just do clear all children because I have a list layout in here. So we'll have to for Ivy and loop through all the children of it. So list of unlocks, get children do. So then we can do if not. So if it's not a UI list layout, then destroy it. Okay. Their engines, how much you've missed? The engines have been in there for a while, so for the next update, we're going to try and add more spacecraft. I do want to add more spacecraft. It's just the bottleneck for me adding new modules is actually needing the models for the modules, because I modeled the early on before we had actual modelers, like all the white tubes, those are the ones that I made, and they're not very great. But so like if I have the model files, I can add them in pretty quickly. Hello, welcome to the live stream. Okay, so now after so now we're gonna get I'm gonna have to make the little thing that's there. I just pointed at my monitor, not like you guys can see that. Okay, we'll just have a frame. We'll make it size of 1, 0. I'll do pixels. Why didn't it work? Okay, so on the scale, so 1, if you guys don't know, the first digit for scale is, so 1, it means it'll take up the entirety of it. See, it goes to the end. But then I think there's also 10 pixels, the scrolling thing is 10 pixels, so then for the pixel offset, we can make that -10. Oh, it's not 10, it's like 12 or something. 12 pixels. That's close enough. I don't play Roblox, but I watch your game. Oh, your invite. Oh, I forgot to change it. Oops. Right here, let me grab the updated version real quick. There's 44. Whoa, there's 65 people playing? Holy crap. Holy crap. It's been like down, but now it's up. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll just grab the link. About to be 66. Nice. Okay, here, I'll edit the stream. There you go. I also like how the link still has beta in it. I'll update that. There we go. Now it should look nice. But wow! Holy crap. Because it's been down a lot. Even the monthly, like it's been down a lot. But there's 65. Holy crap. Make that 66, 67, 68, 69. Nice, guys. Okay, I gotta get this out. Wow. Well, that's a nice site. Okay, and then on this side, to make it scale nicely, I'm gonna do pixels. Maybe like 20 pixels? No, that's too small. Like 30. 40. Yeah, 40%. I'm gonna DM you some images of my space station. Alright. Okay. Now, what do I want to just add the name of the module? Oh, actually? I'm gonna do it how KSP does it. If you can't tell, a lot of things in my game are kind of inspired by KSP. I'm gonna do a grid layout, and then so it's size and position. Okay, then I'll have to add UI padding. Have I played KSP 2 yet? I have. I bought it like about 5 seconds after it released, so that was interesting. It was very, very buggy, I will say. Yeah, I couldn't really go anywhere, but the graphics were good, so that's what I have. Hello guys. Wow, there's like a lot of people watching actually. Okay, so I'm gonna make the frame first off. Oh right, size. Okay, so we have padding and size. How big do I want it to be? Because it never scales nicely on devices. Because you see, like, they look like this in Studio, and I try to have my Studio window as close to a 16:9 aspect ratio, but then like some iPads are 4:3, iPhones can be like weird aspect ratio, so they get stretched and everything, so I have to try and make it as good. Like, say, like an iPad would probably be more like this. You see how they stretch? Or like a thin and wide monitor would be like that. And they just get really weird. That's because I use scale. Should I try play this game because it's looking advanced for me? Space Station Infinity? I mean, I'd recommend doing it. If it is too advanced, I do have some tutorials, which, yeah, I do need to make an updated tutorial because the other one's quite old. But I'll probably do that after Tech Tree is done because this will change a lot for the game. But yeah, go try it. You know, it doesn't hurt to try. If you don't like it, you don't have to play it, but I hope you do like it. Best game. Thanks, guys. Okay, so I think... So I need to make this a square that scales nicely. Go to general, or... Sure, I guess we can quickly see your station. Here, I'll show you guys. That's pretty cool. Nice. Uh-oh, life support. Might wanna manage that out. I need to add more tutorials also. Oh, a life support video tutorial. That's what I need to do. I'll get to that later. Okay, so now frame, the size. I'm getting off track. Distracted by a lot. Only have 221 hours until I get to 10 million from the long research. Got the 2 times Game Pass, so it's 20 million, yeah. I hope the long research is working, but from what I've seen, there's a lot of bugs with the long research, so I might check that out a bit today. They're having like negative numbers or something, which is weird. Okay, so I think if I do scale, make it 50 pixels by 50 pixels, because you see if I scale it, it stays the exact same. But then on massive monitors, it's really tiny. Unless I could have it like a mix between scales and pixels, so like, actually, that might work. So if I have, for scale, it'll be like a minimum of So it'll be like 0.1. Oh, but then because you see the scale doesn't work because see, although the scale it is 0.1, 0.1. You can think of this as like 10% the length of this. That doesn't make sense. 10% would be like here. Oh, and plus 50 pixels. So it'd be 10%, but because it's much longer on this side, it just messes everything up. Okay. I guess I'll just use pixels. Okay. Let's do like try 75 by 75. Yeah, that seems good. We're almost crashing 2 hours. I love new Roblox engine. Why did I remove the McDonald's? It was originally added as an April Fool's joke, but then I did bring it back, kind of, so it's in the form of a limited module. So what that is, like, if you have it and you delete it, you can still replace it. It'll go into your module's inventory. And also I think right now it is available in crates, unless I took those off sale. I don't remember. But then I'm also gonna add a way to buy it in game. I've had an idea of like a kind of like a premium currency that you could either pay Robux to get it, but you'd also get some by playing every single day, and then you can use that currency to, like, you know, buy like crates or something, so the game's not too pay to win. But that's still a work in progress. You know, might do that a bit today. It shouldn't be too hard to make. Okay, now we'll add a bit of padding. So do 5 pixels on the bottom, 5 pixels on the left, 5 pixels on the right. There you go, so now it doesn't touch the end. And now if I make a ton, you see, then they do that, and it looks really ugly. Can you make it so if you don't have oxygen and you're outside your station, you'd slowly die? I've thought about that, but like, from a gameplay perspective, one, it'd be quite annoying to actually build your station. Two, you gotta remember, a lot of people who play Roblox are little children, and they don't understand a lot of that. And then from a development point, I'd have to check whether they're in the station or not, and that's a lot of coding, and I don't know how performance optimized it is. So, you know, I've thought about it. If I can find a way to make it work, like maybe have a toggle or something. But, another thing I thought that I saw one other game do is have 2 modes. There's like a basic mode and then an advanced mode. So in the advanced mode, it's like a lot harder, which, you know, I might do that, but just some ideas. Okay, now I need to make this look good. Maybe have it as an option to turn it on and off. I mean, yeah, maybe. Okay, so on the shop system, how I did this is I made it to the center, it's like that. But there's still like a lot there, and I don't like it. And then it gets even more weird when you start messing with here. Because you see, now it's single file. Now it's 3. It just never adds up nicely. Maybe circular squares? Well, it's not that. It's that I can see there's a massive amount of space between here, and then like changing the size of your screen, because it'll always be 50 pixels, it just doesn't add up. But then if I make it scale, then they wouldn't be rectangle, they wouldn't be squares. But it's just such a pain. There's donations, right? If you mean by donations as like Game Pass, there is a donate Game Pass, which if you buy it, you get the donator role in the Discord and a donator tag in game. But if you mean like donating to like other players, that system isn't in the game yet. Whoa, that's cool. I put a magnifying glass to my computer screen. You can see the pixels. Oh well. Okay, I think if I just do the same with the shop and have it aligned to the center. It's decent. I need to make the padding on the side. On the, what side is that? Right? You make this 5 plus 12 because there's this scrolling frame. So 5 plus 12 is what? 18? 17? You code weird because I'm getting oxygen even when I'm outside the station. The oxygen is, that's like your station's oxygen level. Are you still doing giveaways? Probably. I haven't done one in a while, but you know, maybe if we hit a new milestone, I'll do a giveaway. But okay, now let's make this look nice. I've been rambling a bit. Okay, so how I'll do is I'll have a viewport frame. Now this size will be 1, 0, so it fits perfectly to that. And then the viewport frame actually I'm just gonna use the viewport frames for the shop, so then I don't have to make a new viewport frame for every single module, because that takes forever. So I'm just gonna use the viewport frames for the shop. Yeah, here, I'll call this tech tree unlock. Not the greatest name, but it works. Okay, we'll plop that in replicated storage. And then I have to go AFK and wait for the research to finish. Yeah, I don't like the current research system. It's really bad. I've thought of ways to make it better. So the shop. Okay. But it's not. It's in the other script. Crap. I have... Okay, so I have a... Because to find the module thing, I have to go into the shops tab. So how I did that is I had... How advanced will the tech tree be? I mean, how I have the tech tree set up is... You'll get research points somehow. I haven't figured that out yet. And then each research will cost a certain amount, and then you just spend it to instantly unlock it. Just like in KSP. Okay, so I have, but then in, where do I have the script? I think it's in buy. The client scripts are so bad. 4.5. Done. Can I get roll? Did you buy the pass? Here, let me check. Wow, there's 65. That's honestly surprising. Like, wow. Okay, here, let me check. Loading. Okay, well that loads. Let me look. So there you go. Here, just tell me your username in Discord and ping me, and I'll give you the role. Okay, so then, so in here I have a, maybe it's not in this script. Am I sure that it wasn't in this script? Yep, it's not in the script. Maybe it was in a client module. Oh, the tutorial code makes me want to barf. Where did I put it? Oh, I put it in loading, didn't I? What? So I had a table of where all the stuff is. Shop G. Oh yeah, right here it is. It's in everything else. Shop GUI sorts. Wow, I'm hungry. I forgot to eat before streaming. Might have to take a food break. On a bet. Yeah, so I have a table in here, but I need to somehow access this table. Ooh, I can use remote functions. Okay, actually not. I can use bindable functions. I don't think I've ever used a bindable functions to now. What is Strike Force? It's another game that I made that's pretty bad. But, yeah, it's not that great. I might continue it. I did a tiny bit of work of it not too long ago, but it is pretty bad. Okay, I can use remote functions, which I never used. Not remote. A bindable function. Use a bindable function, which I've never used a bindable function before. And we can call it get shop sort. Okay, so then I can do script dot get shop sorts dot on invoke function, and then we'll just return shop GUI sorts. Shop GUI sorts. That's hard to say. Okay, so then what we can do is in tech tree, we can local shop GUI sorts equals. Actually, no, I need to. Because if I do it at the top, there's a chance that it wouldn't have been loaded, because what it has to. So what the code has to do is right here. So it loops through all of this. You are director, right? Yeah. So it loops through all the things and then it puts in the table. But if I do it up here, there's a chance that the code I put here will run before this code is finished, which is bad. Well, barely anyone talking. Yeah, pretty quiet, but found a lot of people just came to see what the stream was like, and then they saw how boring I am, and then they left. But I don't care. I like doing it, so. Okay, so how? I do have a variable. Okay. I'm gonna put that up here. If not shop list loaded, then repeat wait until shop list loaded. So it's loaded. Only 2 people. That's fine. Okay. So now I should be able to do here, and then if it's not loaded, it will wait until it is. Okay, so local shop GUI sorts is equal to player scripts everything else get shop sorts invoke. And that should work. Okay. So now we can local GUI equals shop GUI sorts. Not gonna lie, this is boring. Well, that's development for you. Yeah, you guys don't have to stay. But so shop GUI sorts, and then it's the no wait yeah sorry, getting mixed up. Shop GUI sorts dot tech tree, and then wait, what is tech tree? What? So tech tree is this. Okay. So we have to do the research they clicked. Okay. So tech tree, selected tech. So then that should be like, say, advanced solar. So then dot unlocks. Yo, hi, what's up? Welcome to the live stream. I'm gonna make a variable, local attack. Tree selected text so that we could do. Actually, am I late? No, not really. Still just working on it. Okay, so I'll do another loop. So for underscore v and current tech dot unlocks do. So v will be the module unlocks. So then we can do shop GUI sorts v. Am I the first to join an instant donate 100 Robux? I don't know. Maybe. Here. There you go. Okay, so now we can do shop GUI sorts v, and then this will be equal to this. Is it an instance or is it the name? Let's see. Okay, so it's a name. So we have to, so that's a lot more brackets and inside brackets, and it's a lot. Okay, so we'll have, so the GUI will have to be player dot player GUI dot shop, and then we'll get the tab, which should be that dot fixed frame, because all these ones are in a fixed frame. Dot P. Let's see. Invalid argument. Weird. Huh. There's an error. Invalid argument number 2. String expected. How is your day, by the way? I mean, so far it's going decent, but just started. It's 9 in the morning, so yeah. Okay, so we have player.player. So shop GUI sorts is probably nil. Let's print to make sure of that. Print both. And we'll see. Huh. No, it's not nil. See? I'm confused because your game looks so simple to make. In reality, it's hard. It's simple to make. Yeah, there's a lot that happens behind the scenes. But okay, so the table is this. So it's the name. Recreational module. Oh, the name's wrong. Oops. I had the wrong name. I call it recreational instead of recreational module. Because before the names of these didn't matter, but now they do. Recreational module. Okay, it now has the same name. I also had to fix all those, but that's for another time. Okay, it worked. It worked. I love the cupola. The cupola is really cool. I like it too. Okay, so now we can clone the GUI. Local base GUI is okay. Storage dot GUIs dot. Is he? Oh, hi, Pete. Hey, Dogsy. Hi. Say hi to the people on the stream. I know you don't know what I'm saying right now. It's my dog. Okay. So we can do GUIs dot tech tree unlock. Tech tree unlock, and then we'll clone it. So it makes a duplicate. So now we can do GUI dot parent equal to. Why are you whining? Here, easy, come here. Here, come say hi. Okay, you can sit right there. Okay. So that we could do. Today my cat died. Oh, that's sad. So sorry. Okay, so then we could do a base GUI dot parent is equal to list of unlocks. That should work, actually. That should work. What? What? Why is it doing that? Are you getting frustrated again? Yeah, I'm kind of confused. Why is the size? Oh, I forgot to change this from the list to the other layout. So if it is a, if it's not a UI list layout, or where's it end? Not vcon is a UI padding UI grid layout. Okay, so if it's the grid layout, if it's not that, which it is, so it won't run. If it's the padding, it fails that check, so it won't run. Okay. Okay, so then GUI dot size equals two dot new 1010, and viewing the index. I don't know if I need to do this, but I'll do it anyways. Now when I click on it, I think it was and. And not. Yeah, I think and is correct. There we go. Okay. But it's not showing. I'm gonna get something to eat because I'm really hungry, guys. So, what is that? Food break? Oh, I saw that as shh. Okay, I gotta edit that. Food break. There we go. But actually, I want it on this side. There we go. But now you can't see it. There we go. Food break. Shh. Okay. Be right back, guys. Okay, I'm back, guys. Okay. Didn't really get food, but I got a drink because I couldn't really find anything to eat. Well, I found beef jerky, but it was left open, so it's really gross. But okay, we're back. And now I need to fix why this isn't working. Because it is. Okay. I click on it, but why can't I see it? Because I don't know right now, but I'm about to find out. Tech tree info. Tech tree unlock. See coop block. Where is it? Visible was off. Yeah, that makes sense why it was invisible. Dot position. Udem2.new 0000 and GUI dot visible equals true. There you go. That should work now. Hey! There we go. That looks pretty good. Snipping tool, and then I'm gonna put as a sneak peek. Actually, hold on. Go on. Close the tech tree. There you go. Okay, so now if we open the tech tree, actually I'm gonna make the background not white because it looks bad. Let's have it like same color as the research button. And it's a 44444444, and then the border color is 117 117 117. Good enough. I feel like they're a bit too small, actually. Have you decided on how you're gonna earn RP yet? I haven't. I mean, I thought maybe that's what crew would do, but I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. Okay. I'm gonna make them a bit bigger. I just freaking mobile. 85. We could do 85. Oops. so then now let's try it. It's bigger. Okay. So now, on a phone, how does it look on a phone? Also the... Oops, that part. I should fix. Oh, that's really bad on the phone. I need to fix that. Oh, phones are so hard, but that looks mostly fine. I hope. Man, coding on phone is so annoying. Okay. We're about to hit an hour. Didn't even really do too much in that hour, though. So... don't know what to think of that. But, okay. When are you going to add perks to the VA? Right! The VA pass exists. I don't know. I mean, when I add in a daily reward, I'll probably make them have increased for that. Other than that, I actually don't know. Because, I mean, yeah, right now it's kind of just a more expensive donate pass. But there will be perks to it. As more features get added, I'll incorporate some stuff into that. You're back. Did you miss anything? Not really. Just phone being annoying. Okay. How could I do research points? Because... do you guys have any ideas on how the research point system could work? Because I did a sneak peek where it did, but I think people misunderstood and they're talking about the actual tree layout. But there was a few. So crew makes research points, which that's probably the most likely one I'm gonna do, maybe. And then so another one was this one. Right, find space station debris with the telescope, and then you can research it to get points. Which that was also interesting. And then what else was it? I don't think I saw any more other ones. But also, just so you guys know, you can see like I've read every single suggestion you guys post. So yeah, but I don't respond to a lot of them, but I do read them all. But okay, so maybe crew generates research points, but they need supplies to generate. I've thought about that, but like, hmm. I know. Or maybe, I don't know. Because I mean, I think I'll do something with crew. But do you know what? Here. Actually, I thought about having like different types of crew members. So maybe you'd have to hire like a scientist in order to get the research points. Because like I think there should be like I think having multiple different ways to get it would be beneficial. But I also think there also has to be a good way to get it in the early game. Yeah, but what would happen to all the crew that we have? They'd transfer somehow. Hi, hello, welcome to the stream. One of them could be done by research itself, like have another research. Like these. Yeah, I guess I could add for a research thing. Oh wow, your stream delay is tiny. I know I put it to like the smallest possible, so it's like half a second or so. It's really tiny. So I could also. I really don't like the GUI for this. Tried to get it redone, but you're working on a game called Turtle right now. That's interesting. Is it about turtles? Oh, something gives me a feeling that it is. But okay, I could. I kind of do want to add something like that, where you can find the better stuff. Then I could have it. I could have it so crew. What'll happen is you can either have them work to generate research points or work to generate money. So like there could be a toggle. So every 15 seconds, say they generate 1 research point per crew instead of like $10. Yes, but the problem with all those is it only affect new players. What do you mean? Because like everyone's gonna have to progress through the tech tree. Like all the modules, it's like when I add the system, all the modules you currently have placed will like stay there, but you won't be able to place any new ones until you unlock the respective tech. Also, I'm not very good at coding so far, so I had to use tutorials. That's fine. You learn as you go. You don't learn coding overnight. It takes a long time. Because, like, to change the crew to generate money is really easy. Because all I have to do is find the crew. money function. Also, I added in all these nice big words so it's easier to go through the scripts because it's really long. Yeah, but people, master stations like me, it not bothered me that much because I have everything. Yeah, but that's fine. But most people who play the game don't have massive stations with everything they need. So, that's the thing. And eventually when new modules get added, you'd have to unlock them, and more advanced modules. Which I'm trying to also add a lot more, like extend the end game. Because I find you can complete the game pretty quick. Because you complete it by just going to all the planets. So, how I'm going to have it is each planet, it gets harder and harder to go to. Somehow. Like, you know, maybe more money. And obviously more stuff like solar panels generate less depending on which, that's already in it. Tech tree. I like how that's the only one in a different font. Okay, so in the crew, here it is. So then, also we have to research the Game Pass modules. Probably not. Yeah, I don't think you'd have to research the Game Pass modules. Thankfully, I'll have any part code for parts to give badges. If you actually think it's like a mini map, because the main goal of the game is supposed to use the badge part script. Badges are pretty easy to do. Here, like it's literally. I'll show you where the badges here is. Here it is. This is for the money. All it is, you get badge service with game get service badge service, and then to award badge, you just do badge service award badge, and then the user ID of the player, and then the badge ID. So it's pretty simple. Oh, it's 1,000 lines. This is 1,300 lines, and that's only the main script. There's also like, I don't know, stations decently long. This one's 500 lines. There's main module. This one's almost 1,000 lines, but this is a lot of tables. So how would I award a badge for finishing an NPC's dialogue? I've never used dialogue, but if there's a way to like tell when they're done, just do that, and then in that code add the badge code. What about for each different planet, you'd need different and more expensive modules for exchange for more money in that planet. I was thinking of having it so you'd still have the same modules, but there'd be a greater cost to place them, because it's like, you know, further away. So obviously it'd be a bit more expensive to actually get them there. And then that, I can also probably make it so different. So then, if you're really far away, crafting modules becomes very important. Ooh, that's interesting. Because, like, you know, say even in the future, if I've thought about adding interstellar stuff, so stuff on different stars, which that'd be interesting. Like, you know, maybe even for that, you know, you can either craft a module, or if you want to place a module, you have to wait like some real lifetime, like, you know, maybe a day or two till the module actually comes, even though, like, you know, obviously in real life would take thousands of years to get to another star. It's a game, but just some ideas. Okay, so if I wanted to change it to crew, all it would be is it's by suppliers. Hire crew. No, please no. I'm already waiting for my long research. That I wouldn't add stuff like that till like a long time, you know. Maybe Christmas. This Christmas, because I've always done a big update on December 24th. You can go look. That's was when alpha was released, when beta was released, and then full release, all December 24th. Do you know how to make a custom character hold a tool? I don't deal with the character too much, but if it uses a human, I'm pretty sure you can just put the tool in the player character itself. But yeah. Okay, so then if I wanted to make it add research points, I just do add. Oh, I don't have a function for that. Here, I'll create one. Right, the agencies. Could you make it so tourists move around your station? I want to. I want to make it so both crew and tourists are actually in your station. But I don't know how to do that. I might do another stream. I could do a stream maybe in a few days of me actually trying to do that. That'd be fun, actually. But okay, so let's add a function for adding research points. So just function main add RP. That way through the player amount. So we'll go profile equals profile cache player. The profile, that's their save data. And we could do if not profile, then warn a profile does not exist for return. Okay, so that just makes sure that their data actually exists. So you know, if they leave when this runs, it causes errors. Instead of a gateway to go to other planets, could we have a skyhook or something like that? I'm gonna change it so you need different spacecraft to do that, because the gateway currently is kind of weird. Am I late? I left for a break, basically. No, not really. We're still going. Okay, so now we can do profile dot data dot. Is it RP or research points? It's research points. Search points. No. There you go. Hello. Welcome to the stream. By the way, what's the goal of your game? It looks like you do stuff in space or something. It's you build a space station and then try to go to other planets. There's not really an end goal right now, but I think I do want to make it eventually have like an actual end goal, but yeah, currently it's kind of like a, I wouldn't say tycoon-ish, but it kind of is, but like you can place modules wherever you want and stuff like that, but I don't know, it's kind of weird. Not really weird, it's just different, but just make a badge for the end goal saying visit planets or something. That'd be interesting. Maybe the end goal could be like go to another star. That'd be cool. Could we make it so we can have a spacecraft like Starship? I do want to add like Starship as a spacecraft. That'd be pretty cool. Actually, yeah, that could be like the spacecraft you need to unlock Mars. That'd be cool. Okay, profile data. Yeah, so yeah, that's the add RP. Pretty simple. So if I want to do it, all I have to do is add RP. That's hire crew, not. Where's the crew money? Where's the function for crew money? So fire crew. So we have hire crew, fire crew, and buy supplies. Here it is. Is Roblox still giving out Crown of O hats? I don't know. They say they are. I got the... Here, I have the... Where's the inventory? It's like I have this one, and the Ardite one. But I didn't get the Ardite one for like a year after I actually reached the goal, and I had to email them. But technically I should have the other one, because in February we did pass 100,000 monthly active users. So I should have the other one, but I don't. So I don't think they're a bit slow. So you have to like email them or something. But yeah. Bro, how depose to read in space? We gotta get a library. Oh, how are we supposed to read in space? We gotta get a library. Space library. Could be a new module. That's an idea. Okay, how do I want to make it so people can get research points? That's what we have to figure out. There's 10 people watching. Wow. That's impressive. Is there a good way to get like 5 active players at all times without advertising your game? Yes. Get it on the search. When you search space, whoa, it went up. Roblox, you're actually doing something good. No way. It's back. I've been complaining so bad because there'd be like escape running head was like second. But finally, it's actually up there. Finally, Roblox doing good. Because, I've complained so much. I think like, and like even me. But anyways, I sent a lot of messages complaining about how bad the search was. They're finally fixing it. Like, they have space 10 times. Like, they have space 7 times. They have space 7 times. I know I have space 10 times. But finally. Hey bro, there's lots of quick question. In the future, will you be able to add an event where your engine and oxygen and electricity will fail? Or fail? I mean, for failing, that'd be another cool event to do. Yeah, I could definitely do that. Maybe have it so it just give you like 30 seconds, less or more. Hey bro, it's me, Zach the Great. Oh yes, I remember you. The only problem with my game is that you have to scroll in the results right now. Yeah, that's the thing. But to do that, what you have to do is like put the keyword you want in the title, a lot in the description. What? Is that like Spanish? Why is it Spanish? My language is set to English. I don't know. And then also put it in badges in the metadata for this. Like, look, when you hover over it, it's build your space station. In this one, it's tons of space to build with. It's manage screen your space station. So it's putting all of that in the metadata of your thing. But now, because if you search space station, it pops up. So happy with that. It's the first one that pops up. So you have to target all the keywords. Could you build it so we build bases around other bodies in the solar system? Yeah, I do want to add like all the planets and some moons. Man. And then also I know if you actually search up Space Station Infinity, it goes big. Oh man, I'm so happy that it actually does that. Like, oh man, wow, 55 people played again. Okay, that's exciting. That's finally exciting. Okay, gotta get the update out for all the new players. Okay, how to get research points? I keep getting distracted. Progression. You already asked me that, and I answered it. I said, yeah, probably. Okay. How should you get research points? Okay, I think I'll do... This is going to be a lot of balancing work. There will be a lot of balancing to this. Like, okay, because, like, I think crew should have something to do with getting research points. I think... Because I'm trying to think. So how, basically, when a new player comes and joins, would you add a creative game mode or something like that? Probably not. Probably not. Like, people have asked for a long time for that, but, like, it probably won't happen. But I've thought of adding, like, some sort of blueprint mode where you can, like, plan out your station as kind of a compromise so you can tell how it looks before. Hey Dev, there is a hacker friend trolling and making bad game for others. Ban him, please. Okay. Yeah, but so... Yeah, I might add that, but... How to get research points? Do you guys have any ideas? Cause like... You know what? I think... Because, like, when you first start off, you have the base station and the research module unlocked. So what every player will have to do... Like, if I have it, only what crew does is generate research points. Is... How that works is... What they do is they do research enough to buy the research module. You place the research module. Then you enough to hire crew. But is that really a bad thing? Because that's what progression would look like. And then, from there, you would have to... Yeah, let's see. Because I think I don't have anything unlocked right now. I can't hit close. Yeah, so you start off with just the research module. Here, I'll delete all my stuff. And then with when you place the research module, what? What's it printing? What? What? I'm so confused. Space agency. Is this long research? Is long research broken? Why am I getting $20? Just happened in public service. Uh-oh. Why was I keep getting $20? Did I just get $20? So I'm at 924. Why? Why am I getting $20? You guys see this, right? What? Why is it? Why am I getting $20? But it seems to only be happening to me. Wait, what? Okay. I need to figure this out. Like, you guys see that that's happening. Nice. I have a great idea. How about your crew generates sub-research points? And you can use to research the main research, which gives you research points and some money, like in the real world. Maybe. Okay. Add money. These are all the times that it'll add money. Is crew broken? Again? Do I have a variable for that? No, I don't. Because this is where it says request failed. Main crew money. It's a lot of loops. So we're... Why is it giving me 20 bucks? Wait, if I go on the very top of search results, then I can get like 5 active players at all times? Well, it depends on what the players are searching. Like, it depends on a lot of different factors. There's no just definitive yes or no. So that's 10. Oh, so then... I think it's the crew that's happening. So what happened is... Crew... Man, this code is really spaghetti. Okay, so we're looping through the folders. So what we'll do is this code will run once for every dimension and this. So we'll run 5 times for every player. Make sure the players get so if there's enough power, then for 1 in every crew, Is it yielding? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 6. How many times? It's the crew money. So it's when the crew generates money. Let me guess. I have morale? No. Hey, Dev, in my school, someone was pretending to be you. I exposed him. Someone was pretending to be me. Also, the PMA, the one in the IS, does not connect to the ISS modules. Yeah, that's a bit of a problem. What if I just reset my data? I should have a count of how many times my data has been either like corrupted, reset, wiped, or all of that just because I have to develop the game. It's insane. Like probably at least 100 times. And I've had some pretty cool stations, so it's kind of sad to see them go, but bro resets data and loses his admin. That'd be funny. I'm famous in your friend circle. That's interesting. Also don't know why this errors, but it only errors once, so it's probably fine. So see, oxygen will slowly build up. Huh, so yeah, it's not going crazy, so that's good. So this is what it'll look like. We will do research. We will get money. That didn't give me $50. 225. They gave me 25, not $50. That's why I say $50. This game is so broken. Oh my gosh. Okay. I have an idea for a prank update. What's that idea? It's not removing the right amount of money! What? What is it doing? Look, it should remove $50, okay? So I should have 175. What? But this one didn't remove 100. There'll be a research rat attacks you when you're Among Us asteroid. It will give you $500,000. Okay, look, I should have $95. See? I should have had 95 bucks. Okay, I gotta fix the research. Okay, guys, we gotta fix the research now. Because I did change something to fix an exploit. Because the scripts people have been writing. And it is really bad. Like, let's see. Oh, I'm not clicking that download button. I think this one actually shows the script. Or it was this one. Look, they wrote. Dang, I don't have my alt. But yeah, they wrote a script that was really bad that just fires the remote event over. Which is a bit of an oversight on my part, but I've fixed it now, so they can't do that anymore. Okay, so let's print the research format. The research will take, so this will cost %s and take %s will cost that take and give you %s, and then we fill in the %s. So the research name will cost time gain. Okay. Now let's see if it's broken still. The research water will cost 0 and take 10 seconds and give you 25. So that should say 25, but it doesn't. The research food will take 50 and give you 70. So why does it say 125? Oh! It's all these errors because right, these numbers are the old numbers. And I had a script that changes it, but I changed the layout of the table so it doesn't work anymore. I coded this badly. So I'm gonna recode it. Good. Because right now I have a local script in every single one of the researches. But I could do better. In this one, I could do update the money stuff. So now all I have to do is, how about you make it by research points generate, make this discovery with modules like telescope, we could research using research panel, and more of those discoveries to make money. That's interesting. I like the new discoveries idea. Like maybe the crew will just start researching and then they'd have a chance to come up with a new discovery, which would, or I could ditch the research point system and go with when you're researching a thing, it takes a certain amount of time to unlock. But I don't know. I don't know. Okay, let's update the money stuff. Let's research label. Now, how about us? You have to buy blueprints for the money. Yeah, I mean, then it's not really like a tech tree system. But I mean, it's interesting. But I don't know. Research label is what? This script. Dot parent. Dot parent. Yeah, it is. Research label dot money in dot text. $sign what? Rewards. I really couldn't just have done research name. I don't need that. Rewards. And what is rewards? Client module. Which client module? There's like 3. Okay. Client module. I think it's this one. So I have the research here. Water. Okay, so it's time, cost, gain. Time, cost, gain. So money in. Time, cost. It was weird. Cost, gain. Research. Label dot money out. Text equal $sign. Rewards 3. Lua is weird because the index of 1. So for example, this is index 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Whereas all the other coding languages this is 0, 1, 2. They start from 0, but Lua is weird and it starts from 1. There we go. Okay. Fix the GUI. Now I can actually go into all of these and delete it. Meaning, I could also delete all those. It's more optimized. Yay! Less scripts. It's going to take a little bit. What about when you research something under the research tab, you get research money and money as easy way. Give research points that are proportional to the money. I mean, maybe. It's just because then research points becomes directly attached to the amount of money you make. Delete all these. Bro, I can buy game passes. Also, I have to go, so I'll see you later. Alright, see ya. I'm probably gonna end the stream after I finish this, so. I hope these local scripts, yeah, that's just those ones. Moon research. Oops. And a Venus. think that's all. Make sure there's I didn't break everything. I missed 2. Okay. Let's do this, and then we can see. Okay. The errors are gone. Yay! Okay. We didn't really get the tech tree done. Didn't actually even do the research point stuff. All I really did was add a little thing, and that took me 2 hours. But I'm getting tired now. I'm gonna take a little break. So thanks guys for watching the stream. It was fun. I don't worry, I won't go another 4 months without doing another dev stream. It'll be much sooner than that. But thank you guys for watching. And I will see you all later. You can watch me click the end. Bye guys.